Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover Roblox account without email or password, right? It's very easy to do it, so let me just show you. For example, you have to just type Roblox here and you will able to come here, and yeah, you have to do very easy thing. You will find option which is called forget password or username. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you will get this option of email, right? So make sure you have enter your email, right? So for example, if I just type here email, right, for example, here it is, it will send me a code, and once I enter that code, I will able to recover my Roblox account. But if you don't have any email, here you can see use phone number to reset password. So if I just click here, of course you have to enter your phone number, and of course in your Roblox account you should have entered your phone number, right? If it has not registered your phone number, then there is a no way you will able to recover your account with a phone number. Then you have to go with your password, you have to go with your email address. So once you enter your phone number, it will send a code, 6-digit code or SMS to your phone, and you have to enter that code here and you will able to reset your password, right? And there is another way which is called username. Of course, if you don't know, then you can just do with the same thing, right? So this is a only way to recover your account, which is by the phone number or email address, right? So here you can see email me a one-time code. If you can just click on this and you have to enter your email address. They will send you a code. Let me show you here. And guys, here you can see that I've got an email from Roblox, and I can just click on reset password and I will able to create a new password, and this is how I can do it, right? I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.